What's going on? It's Cody here. We're just driving to a friend's house to install some parts. Thought I would start the video off in the car, give it a little bit of a different kind of perspective. Sorry if I'm really zoomed in, but yeah. So yeah, a little bit of a thing. I've actually got a new car, Mazda Speed 3 Gen 2. Yeah, so we're going to be installing some bits on it today. One that's in the back there, and another little thing as well. So yeah, it should be a good day. So stay tuned. Alright guys. Alright, so we just made it here. We're actually just going to go clean the car now. Hopefully I'm in focus. But yeah, we're going to go clean the car now, and I'll just show you a couple of the mods that we got. So you got a little COBB shifter that we're going to install today. And also a Dashmat as well. Because yeah, my dash has got some funny like thing. You can't really see it, but it's like sticky to the touch, and it's really not very good for just the looks and appearances. So I think a Dashmat's going to clean it up. I'll show you who's with us today. We got the boy.
He's fine.
The boy Storm.
Alright, let's rinse it down.
Yeah. So we're just gonna clean the car first because it's hella dirty.
People in Jazz. And today our man in jazz is Wes Montgomery. And many years ago, about 1959, well it was indeed in 1959, a dear old friend with whom I had been associated, owned a record company, which was Riverside, sent me a demonstration record of an album he was about to...
Alright guys, so we're gonna do a bit of an unboxing right now.
Yo.
Unboxing time. Alright, so who wants to unbox this big boy? Because I can't
Give me my Andy, that fucking shot it.
Oh,
Why are there boobs on
Andy's
your
in the shop.
screen?
Boobs?
Some anime titties.
Yeah!
A closer look at anime titty games.
We also got this COBB shift knob to unbox as well. It's the white and red one. We got... Oh, is he getting a special karambit?
Let's get a karambit out. What are we doing first?
That. I don't do that first. This is a Dashmat. So hopefully, I hope it fits, but I'm pretty sure it will.
It's broken.
And we should just see what it's like, eh? Like if it's nice or if it's gonna jank. Oosh.
It's the one.
Oosh. Oosh. That's actually a really
It's the multi-level
freaking big.
one. Goes around and stuff.
That's sick. Okay, I hope that fits.
Bro, look, it's even like got the...
Got a little molding and stuff.
Yeah,
Oh,
nice.
so it does just sit on it. That's kind of pog.
Nice.
Sweet. So yeah, that's the Dashmat. Here we got the COBB shift knob. Ooh, damn.
Ooh, is that like ice cream?
A little white on red. Not bad. Looks pretty sick. Got some stickers and stuff too. Nice. Nice. Alright.
Nice.
Should we go and install this?
Let's go do it.
Let's go do it. Let's go do it.
Okay.
Let's go do it.
Let's go do it.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright guys, you're in a bit of a jank spot, but we're gonna install this Dashmat. Dude, there has to be a way to secure it, surely.
Yeah, I feel like this isn't enough. Unless it is. I don't like how it comes up like that though. Then like, what can you do about it?
What do you mean comes up? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right to the airbag.
How do you want, I mean, because you don't want, realistically, you don't want to put like stuff in the dash. Like to like secure it. Because if you, I mean, yeah, you can use some Velcro.
Hmm.
Oh, fitting instructions.
Oh,
Clean area where hook and loop tape. Yeah, it needs Velcro.
it does?
Yeah. That's what hook and loop tape is.
Shit.
There's a motor 10 somewhere. Cut supplied tape. Did you get tape? It's right here.
Oh my god.
I was gonna say that it's kind of weird for them to.
Alright guys, so at first we didn't actually know. The fitment's actually not too bad on this side, but on that side it's kind of a bit jank, like this kind of goes up a bit there, and that side fitment isn't that great. But we found that it actually does come with some tape that I've now lost somewhere. But yeah, it comes with some tape, some Velcro stuff so we can stick it down. At first we thought we were going to need to buy our own, but no, they actually do have tape supplied. So it should be good. Alright guys, so we got the dash mat on. This is basically what it's going to look like. We might need to put some more Velcro on pieces, but that's basically what we got. So now we're going to move into the shift nub. The nub. Try and take this one off here. Just the stock Mazda Speed one. There we go. Just looking pretty good. Alright, and there's the new COBB one here. There we go. Putting it on. God, if I can get the freaking thing on. Definitely threads on a lot smoother. Yeah, sweet. Looking good. That's basically the interior at the moment. A bit of a dash mat and the shift knob.